In this video, I'm going to show you how to add borders to cells in Microsoft Excel. So first, highlight the area or the table or the cells you want to add the border for. Then click on the border tool here. Then here you can add borders for all cells. This will add borders to all corners. And then if you want to add in like an outside border, you can highlight all the cells and then click add thick outside border. This will make it more appealing. This will make the outside border thicker, make it look like a table. And there's so many other options that you can play around with. You can also change the color for the border, so you can make the border red or different colors as you like. And there's also like an eraser and so many options that you can look around at and choose. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.